What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to the sickest garage on the platform for another Holi-Details. This one's going to be sick. I'm actually gonna post a very similar video, but full length, here in a couple weeks. But this one is here, this Kia Sportage. It's a 2023 Vesta Blue, beautiful. I've graphene ceramic this before, but the customer had an incident. So we're gonna fix the incident, or we're gonna fix the graphene in just a couple areas, and I'm gonna take you through it because Holi-Details, and this is sick. Let's go to work. The goal of this video is to demonstrate what I do to fix a messed up graphene ceramic coating, kind of. But obviously you gotta start with a pre-wash. Pay close attention on the front door on the passenger side. The water does not bead and sheet off. On the rear door it does. The front door is not coated anymore. That's why it's here. On the rear door it's coated. That is the difference. You can see the water does not bead and sheet, which is the goal with a ceramic coating. Hydrophobic. Oh yeah. Part of fixing this ceramic coating, I got a hyper wash. And by hyper wash, I mean 2-bucket method. I know there's arguments against that, but 2-bucket method. I'm gonna hand wash, I'm going to decontaminate, but regardless, we gotta hyper wash. We gotta make sure this thing is absolutely clean. Paint correction, just a tiny bit. Removing oil with surface prep. I had an idea. I'm actually filming this after I've started posting the Holi-Details, and I've already posted one of my beautiful wife's ride, and I call it Whoops. This is gonna be Whoops X2, because obviously damage. This is one of my favorite, absolute favorite projects. I love doing paint protection. Serious, up to 9 year paint protection. Yeah.
I love you, Mom and Dad. Thanks, Mom and Dad, for all that you do. Thanks for the presents, Mom and Dad. You are the best Mom and Dad in the world. I couldn't wish for it.
Realistically, Adam's graphene ceramic coating, this stuff is so good. It has such high quality, really long lasting. It's what I have on my vehicles, and I cannot overstate how much I love this. I think it is the greatest. I'm done with this mini coating, the little Whoops X2. Now I'm just gonna put the license plate on and let it dry, cure for the night for a couple of days. Customer will come pick it up soon. Just loved it, loved it.